how to convert Facebook account to page. Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll show you on how to convert Facebook account to page. So without further ado, let's get started. First thing you need to do is to open your Facebook account. Then once you're here, you need to tap the three tabs on the top right corner and go to Profile. Here you can scroll down and you can see your friends. As you can see, I have 3 friends. Scroll up again and you will see the 3 dots on the side of the Edit Profile button. Click it. Once you're here, you can see the Turn on Professional Mode. Just click it and then click Turn on. And then there you go, you have now converted your Facebook account to page. You just go back to your profile and you need to refresh this. And then there you go, look at that. Your Facebook account is now converted to page. And that's how to convert Facebook account to page. I hope the video was really helpful. And if it did help you, make sure to give it a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any questions, you can comment down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial. See you soon on the next video.